In this video, I'll demonstrate how to resolve the no internet connection. Please retry when connected to the internet error in Roblox. Follow these steps carefully to fix the issue. First, ensure that you have a strong internet connection by checking your Wi-Fi settings or selecting 4G or 5G network if using mobile data. Next, navigate to your device's settings and select App Management or App List. Search for Roblox and click on it to access its settings. Then, tap on Storage and Cache and clear the cache of the Roblox app. Afterward, return to your device's settings, click on System and select Reset Phone. Choose to reset either your Wi-Fi settings or network settings. Make sure your date and time are set to automatic. For iPhone users, open the App Store, and for Android users, open the Play Store. Search for Roblox and update the app if necessary. Once you've completed these steps, the problem should be resolved, and you can use Roblox without any interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.